Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I made this super easy, quick stamping design. It is totally fall related because of course fall has started already. It's my favorite season of all, and yeah, it's just a really cute and easy design that I made with some Born Pretty store stamping plates. And yeah, if you want to know the links to all the products that I used in this video, I will just leave those down below so you can check them out for yourself as well. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It is really appreciated and I'd love to welcome you guys to my little nail family here online. So first of all, I had already applied a couple of layers of some really cute fall colors. And here is the first plate that I am going to use. I actually got a bunch of new plates in my Born Pretty store. And I do think I am going to do an unboxing of that, also showing you the other plates that I got as well as some other nail polishes, but that will be uploaded in a couple of weeks, I guess. So yeah, most of the plates that I'm showing you right here were the ones that I was planning on using. From the 3 I showed, I actually only used 2. So yeah, I will show you just which ones I used, but I guess you will see it anyways regarding the designs I have on my nails eventually. So yeah, I am going to use mostly Born Pretty store stamping polishes to stamp with, and yeah, other than that, just some random polishes. You can use whatever works best for you. If you don't have any stamping polishes or anything like that, you can always go into your own nail polish collection or stash and just try out some different highly pigmented polishes, because regular polishes also work pretty nicely when it comes to stamping, especially if you have very pigmented ones or even some metallic ones. Those work really nicely as well. As you can see, I have also used a very metallic-y shimmery green polish that I actually got when I was on my holiday in Germany, and it's just really gorgeous. I can't wait to show you the rest of the collection of those polishes as well, but I'm going to do a ton of other videos of all of the polishes that I actually bought myself in Germany, so keep an eye out for that if you're curious about that. But yeah, for a couple of the nails, I think it was 3 out of 5, I actually decided to do like a gradient or ombre stamping technique. To make it really short and easy and simply explained, it is just using a couple of different polishes on top of the image plate, scrape it a couple of times, I'd say 3 times or something like that, so you have a nice blending of the colors, pick it up with your stamper and place it on top of the nail. It is a really easy technique, and once again I will try to remember to actually do a full-on video on how to do a gradient or ombre stamp. It's really easy, but I know you guys have asked me to do a separate video on that, but I haven't had enough time to record that yet, so please keep reminding me so I actually take the time to record that video and edit it and upload that as well. But once you are done with all of your stamping work, your images and so on, make sure that you remove any excess polish that might be on the skin surrounding the nails or even in the cuticle area. Just clean it up if you haven't cleaned it up already with using a piece of tape, because that works wonders as well. Here I'm just using one of my angled brushes. This is actually an eyebrow brush, but I love to use it as a cleanup brush with just a little bit of nail polish remover. And yeah, it's just really easy to use, and it was like 50 cents at AliExpress or something like that. There are a ton of different brushes at AliExpress, so if you wanna check that out, be free to do so. Of course, I do have a discount code for bornprettystore.com. It is for a 20% discount. I will leave that in the pinned comment as well as in the description box as usual. You can use it multiple times, so don't be scared that you can only use it once. You can actually use it like a couple of times, like unlimited times if I am correct. So yeah, just to cap everything in, I'm going in with a no smudge top coat by Born Pretty store. Yes, I know, I still have to do like the comparison video of this particular no smudging top coat by Born Pretty store and the one by Nicole Diary, but once again, I have just had 3 weeks off of work and I didn't want to do a lot of YouTube work either, other than the videos I had already planned, so that is still in my future planning as well, to do a video on that. But I can already kind of like say that I pretty much like this one. Of course, there is still a little bit of smudging, even though I waited for like 10 minutes for the stamping polishes to be completely dry. But especially on the black, like on the ring finger with all the different types of leaves, I feel like the polish is just too pigmented and I will always have a little bit of smudging and smearing. It is not too bad in my opinion, because it kind of adds to the whole fall effect, kind of like the tree bark that I created on the middle finger as well. But this is already the entire video. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. But thank you guys so much. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.